Okay, see ma. So next we are studying about force between the plates of a capacitor. See, in between the plates of a capacitor, first of all, there will be some force or not? Untadu. Enduku untadu? Undadu. See, in between the plates of a charged capacitor, will there be some force of attraction or not? Positive plate, negative plate. In between them, there will be force of attraction or not? Will be there. Why? Opposite charges, no? See, first one is a positive plate, second one is a negative plate. Electric field will be traveling in which direction? Positive plate to negative plate. So this is the direction of electric field, no? Then the negative charges which are present on the second plate, they will experience force in which direction? Negative charges always experience force in which direction? In opposite direction to the direction of electric field. It means that this negative plate is attracted towards the positive plate. Are you able to understand? So definitely there will be force of attraction between both the plates. Okay, now see. So electric field between plates of a capacitor already we have calculated more, sigma by epsilon naught. Sigma is nothing but surface charge density, charge per unit area multiplied by epsilon naught. Okay, and how I got this total field, do you remember? Do you remember how I got this total field sigma by epsilon naught? See, field because of infinite sheet of charge. What is the formula? Gurtunda? Field because of infinite sheet of charge is how much? Sigma by 2 epsilon naught. Are you able to understand? And there is a field because of negative plate also, no? So one more sigma by 2 epsilon naught. Sigma by 2 epsilon naught plus sigma by 2 epsilon naught. Sigma by epsilon naught. So that is the total field present between the plates of a capacitor. Are you able to understand? So therefore, what is the field because of one plate? A field because of one plate is how much? Sigma by 2 epsilon. Gurtuna ivanni? Are you able to understand? Sigma here. So because of positive plate, what is the field? Field is sigma by 2 epsilon naught. Clear, no? Field because of negative plate, it is also in the same direction. It is also sigma by 2 epsilon naught. So total electric field, what we have done? Sigma by 2 epsilon naught plus sigma by 2 epsilon naught is equal to sigma by epsilon naught. Ilage kada manam kanukunnindi. Now what I do is, I will take electric field because of only positive plate. Then it will be how much? Sigma by 2 epsilon naught. Sigma can be written as charge per unit area. So Q by 2 epsilon naught into A. So this is the electric field because of one plate, positive plate. Now this electric field will exert force on second plate, no? What this field will do? This will exert force on second plate. And what is the formula of force? Already we have written this one. F is equal to Q into E. Gurtunda formula di? F is equal to Q into E. So what is the charge on second plate? Q. Then what is the electric field because of first plate? Sigma by 2 epsilon naught into A. So multiply both of them. Then this is the force experienced by negative plate because of positive plate. Or you can say this is the force of attraction between positive plate and negative plate. అర్థమవుతుందా ఏం చేస్తున్నాము? Field between the plates is this much. I am not taking total field. I am taking only field because of positive plate or negative plate. So sigma by 2 epsilon naught multiplied by charge present on second plate. That is negative plate. Then this is the equation of force experienced by second plate because of first plate. If second plate is experiencing force, it means positive plate is also experiencing force. Newton's third law. Every action has an equal and opposite reaction. So therefore, you can say this is the force of attraction existing between the plates. Okay. Now this equation, if I want to write in one more method, how can I write? Okay, Sima. Q is equal to C into V, no? Substitute it. So F is equal to, instead of Q, I can write a C square V square divided by 2 epsilon naught into A. Okay. Then capacitance, I can write epsilon naught A by D, no? Capacitance formula, epsilon naught A by D between parallel plate capacitor. Substitute that also. So epsilon naught square A square divided by D square multiplied by V square divided by 2 epsilon naught into A. So I have written up to here. Okay, ma? Similarly, we have one more relation, no? What is that? V can be written as E into D, no? Ma? How can I write V value? V value can be written as E into D. Okay. So V can be written as E into D. So again substitute it there. So F is equals to epsilon naught square multiplied by A square divided by D square multiplied by E square into D square divided by 2 epsilon naught into A. So D square and D square will get cancelled. Okay, ma? So A and square will get cancelled. So therefore, and still anything which cancel, epsilon and square also will get cancelled. So half epsilon naught A E square. Okay, ma? So this is one more form of force experienced between the plates of a parallel plate capacitor. Are you able to understand? So question can be given on any of these equations. దీనిపైన మీ క్వశ్చన్ రావచ్చు, దీనిపైన రావచ్చు. అర్థమవుతుంది కదా? So therefore, force of attraction, there are two formulae. One is q square by 2 epsilon naught E. Another one is half epsilon naught E square into E. Okay? Remember those two equations. If question is given, directly you can substitute and you can get the answer. Okay?